Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc, where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Broadcasts versus autoresponders. The next question you're going to have to tackle is, when will you send out your emails? Now, you have to understand that your squeeze page sets up your list members' expectations. If you do things right at the beginning, then they won't be surprised that you're sending emails to them. They should expect this information. Most people that sign up to a list are expecting to get some sort of automated newsletter from then on. For example, if I sign up for an email list that's promising to teach me how to trade Bitcoin on a weekly basis, I would expect that I would receive a tutorial email with links to instructional videos once a week. Make sure you set up the right expectations, because this will decide how frequent your updates can be. Make sure that your squeeze page and all other promotional material is set up in the right expectations and they're as clear as possible. Of course, you can tweak this based on the behavior of your list, so pay attention to the following as well. Make sure your emails are getting opened, read, and acted on. This is the essence of email marketing after all. If you fail to optimize your emails, then your list is dead in the water. And what's the point of getting a lot of people to join your mailing list when they're not going to be reading your emails? If nobody's clicking your links or reading, then your business is practically dead. There's no way you can make money from the list if people are not taking action on the emails you send out. You have to work to maximize the percentage of people opening your emails, reading them, and clicking on them. Here's an example of the numbers that will happen when you send out an email, and each of these actions involves fewer and fewer people. For example, you start with 1,000 people on your list, and you end up with only 100 people opening your emails. Of those 100 people, only 20 click on the link. So now you need to try to maximize the percentage of people taking action at each step. Maximize the number of people opening your email, and then work to increase the number of people reading that email, and then increase the people clicking in that email. How you do this is actually quite simple. First, you need to be clear what your target niche is for your list, and inform people before they sign up to your list that they'll be receiving email updates. Convince them of the value these email updates will bring for them. A lot of marketers fail to put enough attention on getting the prospective list members excited about the emails they'll be receiving. Make sure there's a tight fit between the incentive you're offering and the needs of your audience members. Whatever incentive you're giving away, it must speak directly to the needs of your audience members. If you send out updates following up after this that have nothing to do with what they signed up for, don't be surprised if you get a lot of unsubscribes. Now, if you're going to use an autoresponder, then make sure the emails being sent out by the system are relevant, or again, your list members will start ignoring your updates and unsubscribing. You must remain focused like a laser on adding value to the lives of your list members. They should immediately see that reading your emails will add something to their lives. Once you have people on your main email list, you need to work quickly to segment them by sending updates that will enable you to separate or filter them based on their reactions and choices. You can also send updates with links to low-cost products, and then you can segment your list into proven buyers and information seekers. We'll talk more about these segmentation things in another video.